This is a Barnstorm training video on how to use the Employee Team feature. This feature allows you to build a group of employees assigned to a code and inserts the group into a couple of different areas in Barnstorm. There are two different types of groups to consider. You can create a group of disciplines or a group of employees who cover a specific service area. We'll cover how each can be used here shortly. First, we'll go over how to build a group. From Office, select the Codes tab, select Status Codes, then select Employee Teams. Enter a 2-digit numeric code, then enter a description. The group that I'm building will be a set of employees who are assigned to a specific service area with Sunflower as the case manager. Once you click on Save, you'll notice a list of employees will appear to the right. The employee must be set up with a revenue code in order for them to show up on this list. I'm going to start selecting the employees for this service area. If you select an employee by mistake, simply select them from the list and they will be removed. Once you have added all of the employees that you need, click on Save. Next, we're going to create a group of disciplines. I'll create a code that will include all skilled nurses. Enter a code and a description. Click on Save. Now you'll notice that once I clicked on Save, some of the employees automatically appear assigned to the list. This will happen when the employee code setup has the team code assigned to them. So for this example, I'm using code 09. So that means the two employees that showed up have team code 09 assigned to their setup. If you do not wish to have those employees, simply click on each employee to remove them from the list. I'm going to start selecting the skilled nurses from the list of employees available. For training purposes, we're going to pretend that's all of the nurses. Once you have select all the employees that you want to include for this code, click on Save. Next, we'll go over how to use the employee teams in the referral screen. Go to the main menu. After you have select the patient, click on Referrals. Then select the Employees tab. Now you'll notice that there are two different areas to enter for a team. We have the original team field listed here to the right. This code can be any code you need to assign to the patient. If you have used this team field in the past, you will continue to use it as you have before. This team field is used for report purposes only. You do not need an employee team code to match this team number used here. We also have the team field to the left. This one is linked to the employee team's code that we had just set up. Once you enter the code, it will insert all of the employees assigned to that code. There is a screen here that shows you which number was assigned. If you need to remove a select employee, simply click on the X next to the name and click on Yes to remove. You can also reorder the employees by using the up arrow. to make sure the case manager is listed as employee number 1. If you keyed in a code by mistake, you can select the code listed here under Assigned Teams, and once you select it, it will remove all of the employees assigned. You will be able to assign more than one employee team code. Last, we'll go over how to use the employee teams in the messaging screen. Go to the main menu and select the messaging tab. I'm going to click on New Message. I'm going to select the team. I need to send a message to all nurses, so I'll use the code for skilled nurses. If you do not know the code, you can always search for the group by name. You'll notice that the employee field becomes inactive, but it automatically inserts the employees assigned to this employee team code. I'm going to skip patient since the message is not related to one. I'm going to key in a subject and a message. After all the information is keyed in, click on Send. I'm going to select the message that I just sent out down here, and you will see all of the employees included. If an employee on the list does not use Barnstorm, you can print the message to forward to them.